Here's this detailed lesson on how to say let's in Turkish. Introduction. In English, we use let's to make a suggestion involving ourselves and at least one other person. In Turkish, this meaning is expressed with a specific verb form called the first person plural imperative. This is formed by adding suffixes like alım, elim, yiyelim, or yiyelim to the verb stem, depending on the rules of vowel harmony. Formation. To say let's do something, take the verb stem and add alım or elim, depending on the last vowel of the stem. If the last vowel is a, o, or u, use alım. If the last vowel is e, o, or u, use elim. If the verb ends in a vowel, a buffer letter way is inserted between the stem and the suffix, forming yalım or yelim. For example, gitmek, to go, becomes gidelim, let's go, gidelim, let's go. Yapmak becomes yapalım, let's do, yapalım, let's do. Okumak, to read, becomes okuyalım, let's read, okuyalım, let's read. Aramak becomes arayalım, arayalım, let's call, arayalım, arayalım, let's call. Common examples. Hadi gidelim, let's go. Hadi gidelim, let's go. Yiyelim, let's eat. Yiyelim, let's eat. Konuşalım, let's talk. Konuşalım, let's talk. Yapalım, let's do. Yapalım, let's do. Ders çalışalım, let's study. Ders çalışalım, let's study. Dinlenelim, let's rest. Dinlenelim, let's rest. Çay içelim, let's drink tea. Çay içelim, let's drink tea. Dans edelim, let's dance. Dans edelim, let's dance. Yardım edelim, let's help. Yardım edelim, let's help. Başlayalım, let's begin. Başlayalım, let's begin. Using Hadi or Haydi. Turkish speakers often add the word Hadi at the beginning to sound more natural and inviting. It's similar to saying, come on, let's. Examples. Hadi başlayalım. Come on, let's start. Hadi başlayalım. Come on, let's start. Haydi gidelim. Let's go. Haydi gidelim. Let's go. Negative form. To say let's not, use mayalım or mayelim, depending on vowel harmony. Examples. Gitmeyelim, let's not go. Gitmeyelim, let's not go. Konuşmayalım, let's not talk. Konuşmayalım, let's not talk. Uyumayalım, let's not sleep. Uyumayalım, let's not sleep. Unutmayalım, let's not forget. Unutmayalım, let's not forget. Vazgeçmeyelim, let's not give up. Vazgeçmeyelim, let's not give up. Example sentences. Kitap okuyalım, let's read a book. Kitap okuyalım, let's read a book. Sinemaya gidelim mi? Shall we go to the cinema? Sinemaya gidelim mi? Shall we go to the cinema? Birlikte çalışalım. Let's work together. Birlikte çalışalım. Let's work together. Tatile çıkalım. Let's go on vacation. Tatile çıkalım. Let's go on vacation. Daha sonra konuşalım. Let's talk later. Daha sonra konuşalım. Let's talk later. Sakin olalım. Let's stay calm. Sakin olalım. Let's stay calm. Polite suggestions. You can make your suggestion more polite by turning it into a question using alım or elim, which corresponds to shall we in English. Examples. Başlayalım mı? Shall we begin? Başlayalım mı? Shall we begin? Buraya oturalım mı? Shall we sit here? Buraya oturalım mı? Shall we sit here? Kahve içelim mi? Shall we have coffee? Kahve içelim mi? Shall we have coffee? Şimdi gidelim mi? Shall we go now? Şimdi gidelim mi? Shall we go now? Cultural tip. In Turkish, the imperative form for let's is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. However, adding Hadi or asking it as a question, Yapalım mı, makes the sentence more polite and socially appropriate, especially in group settings or when speaking to someone older. Practice quiz translate into Turkish. 1. Let's play. Answers 1. Hadi oynayalım. 2. Let's sleep. 2. Uyuyalım. 3. Let's not fight. 3. Kavga etmeyelim. 4. Let's eat together. 4. Birlikte yiyelim. 5. Shall we leave? 5. Çıkalım mı? Conclusion. Mastering the use of let's in Turkish will enhance your communication skills and make your interactions more dynamic and inclusive. Whether you're planning activities with friends or making polite suggestions in a professional setting, these structures will help you convey your intentions clearly and effectively.
I hope you liked today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.